Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Good Food. Today we're making Qeema Aloo Mattar Desi style. We will need half cup of oil, one tablespoon of jeera and 2 to 3 cloves. Two medium-sized onion, one to two cardamom, fry until the onion turns golden brown. Now we see that it is turned golden brown, so add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 kg keema or minced meat, two medium-sized tomatoes, and 2 big potatoes, aloo. Two tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of haldi or turmeric, 2 tablespoons of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Mix well. Cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it will look something like this. Then add green peas or mattar. Salt according to your taste. 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Mix well. Cover for 5 minutes. Your potatoes must be soft. Now for garnishing, we're going to add some coriander leaves, some chilies, and some ginger. Our keema is ready. Now we're going to dish out. It looks so yummy. And our delicious Qeema Aloo Mattar recipe is ready. I hope you will also try this recipe, and if you like the recipe, smash the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.